Well, thank you very much, Bella, and it is always good to be here and to see you and to see all the great people who are making this one of the best places for very young children in the entire state of Illinois, if not the nation. I want to say good morning and Happy New Year to everybody. I am very hopeful, I think all of you should be too, about 2023. Opportunity abounds for us to make even greater improvements in early childhood education and early childhood development, and many of you are on the forefront of that. I want to thank you for welcoming me here at the Carole Robertson Center for Learning here in Little Village. From your flagship sites to your many community partners, this organization has had an irreplaceable hand in supporting countless young families throughout Chicago for decades. On behalf of my entire administration, let me say to you, to Bella, to all of the leadership here, I am so grateful for your partnership in this work. I also want to say thank you and welcome to Senator Selena Villanueva and to Representative Camille Lilly, two of the champions in the General Assembly for very young children. They really are leaders, and I intend to work with them and lean on them as we make even more progress in the years ahead. All the best research shows that focusing dollars on our youngest children is one of the most fiscally responsible investments that we can make. It yields a higher high school graduation rate, a higher college attendance rate, greater lifetime earnings, lower healthcare costs, lower crime rates, and an overall reduction in the need for human services spending throughout the lives of these young children. As many of you know, improving early childhood development for families in Illinois and across the United States was an important focus of work that I did before I held this office. And it's been my great honor to carry forward that mission as governor. At the beginning of my first year in office, I expanded early childhood education and childcare across our state, and I ended that first year by joining Bella and the Carole Robertson team to announce my goal of shaping Illinois into the best state in the nation for families raising young children. It's an audacious goal, I know, but Illinois families deserve nothing less. Even when a raging pandemic brought new challenges to that mission, we shaped child care support policies that have been hailed by Congress and by the White House as a national model for managing the child care crisis that we've all experienced, including deploying $1 billion to child care providers to help keep their doors open and classrooms staffed. Pandemic economic challenges threw a curveball to parents seeking work. So we created a nation-leading lifeline for them. 3 months of child care for any parent or guardian engaging in a job search or in a skills training program. And over the summer, we increased eligibility for the state's child care support program so that parents can afford quality child care. Illinois has become the top 10 best. We are among the top 10 in the entire nation for childcare accessibility, and I intend to make us number one. And along the way, we permanently increased reimbursement rates for childcare providers like the Carole Robertson Center, providing more funds to pay staff, maintain facilities, and ensure the best educational materials are available for very young children and for their early childhood teachers. There is so much more that we can do to make it easier for young families to access quality childcare and early childhood education. But already our improvements have made profound change in our early childhood sector possible. The proof is right here in this room. In late 2021, as national staffing shortages exacerbated the early childhood workforce's existing challenges, it was the Carole Robertson Center that launched the Grow Your Own apprenticeship program, and I'm proud to say that the state is the major investor in that effort. The neighborhood it serves experienced higher than average rates of unemployment and underemployment. So the Carole Robertson Center launched an initiative as powerful as it is innovative, hiring entry-level early childhood professionals right here from the community and investing in the tools and skills and mentorship that they need to thrive in this industry. Area parents get to build careers, and the children of Little Village are benefiting from it. More than 24 credentialed teacher aides have already joined the center, and I'm thrilled that one of them is here today with us, Itanzia Dawson, who shortly will share her experience in this nation-leading program. Grow Your Own is a testament to what our childcare providers can do with a state government that offers stability to the industry, and it's a transformational model for the sector at large. When it comes to early learning and childcare, I'm very proud to say that we've been thinking big from the very beginning, and Illinois providers are leading the way for innovation. And with that, I'd like to turn it over to an outstanding leader, truly an innovator in her own right, who dedicates each and every day to our working families and children, Department of Human Services Director Grace Ho. Grace?